In this video, we will see Platform9 Managed Kubernetes integration with OpenContrail. Once you have the Platform9 account, you can add service to the account by downloading the agent, installing it, and further authorizing it. I have already a couple of nodes here. We'll add a new cluster, enter the API FKGN, select OpenContrail, enter the OpenContrail's address, the CIDRs for service and pods, and that's it. The base cluster creation is done. Now we can add a couple of nodes that are already authorized. Once the full cluster creation is done, you will see kubeconfig, dashboard, as well as the OpenContrail links. Now, let's see how we can use the default cluster isolation. So we'll create a new namespace, namespace 1. Once the namespace is created, we'll create a new guestbook application. This guestbook application has a Redis master. We'll try to access it from another pod from another namespace. The guestbook application creation is done. Now let's see, we have the pod created. Let's find the IP addresses. Okay, we have it now. We'll go to the Ubuntu application pod and do a wget on the Redis master. Okay, so here we do the wget on Redis master port 6379, and you can see it's already able to access it. As you can see in the default cluster isolation, two pods in different namespaces can access each other. We'll repeat the same experiment with new namespace isolation that Contrail has introduced. We'll create a new namespace, it's called as isolated namespace with annotation isolated true. Once the namespace is created, we will create the same guestbook application in this new namespaces called as namespace isolated 2. So let's create the guestbook application in this new namespace. And once the application is created, we will find the IP address of the Redis master, and we'll go back to our same old Ubuntu pod in the default namespace and try to access the Redis master in the new namespace too. Here's the IP address. Let's try to do the same wget on this new IP address of the Redis master, which is running in namespace 2, and we won't be able to access it. Let's go into the web UI of Contrail and see how these networks are represented. So once you go into the Juniper web UI, you can look at the networks, and you will see two networks, the cluster network as well as the isolated namespace network. Thanks for watching the video. Please visit us at platform9.com or opencontrail.org.